Are you looking for the best smart glasses? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best smart glasses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer. If looking iconic is your game, look no further than Ray-Ban. For this second-gen smart model, Ray-Ban partnered up with tech giant Meta to bring you the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer. It houses a discrete camera, multi-microphone array, open-ear speakers, plus a capable AI model. With it, you can take calls, snap photos, listen to music, or ask the built-in Meta AI questions while on the move. Simply say "Hey Meta" to give this device voice commands. You can record your POV, live stream to Instagram, or listen to podcasts and take calls. Thanks to the onboard camera, you can look at an object and ask "What is that?" for real-time info. The glasses also come with fast charging, a stylish charging case, and optional lens customizations including transitions and clear lenses. Our verdict: the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer enhances everyday life with smart features that are fun to use. Though the AI system gets confused at times, creators, commuters, and fashionistas will enjoy these smart glasses. Who should buy this? These are perfect for stylish social media professionals, music lovers on the move, or hands-free communicators who want a tech gadget that doesn't look like one. Pros: iconic Ray-Ban design, hands-free photo and video capture from a natural POV, open-ear audio with ambient awareness, built-in flash storage. Cons: privacy concerns, recording indicator is too subtle for some social settings. AI system has some quirks. Number 2. Solos AirGo 3. The Solos AirGo 3 doesn't have a screen or a camera, but owning this model is like having headphones, a fitness coach, and a translator built into your glasses. This model is lightweight and modular, meaning that you can swap Solos frames. Also, it connects via Bluetooth to your phone and delivers audio via open-ear speakers. Touch controls on the temple allow for volume adjustment, calls, and activating features. The AirGo 3 has AI features available through its companion Solos app. With it, you can use your glasses to translate conversations in real time, ask general questions using the ChatGPT-powered AI, or get posture reminders while sitting at your desk. This model is also IP67 rated, so it's dust-proof and sweat-resistant. Battery life is great at around 10 hours of playback. Our verdict: the Solos AirGo 3 is an impressive, well-designed, ChatGPT-enabled pair of smart glasses with great battery life. Its real-time translation feature is impressive. Some app functions are buggy, but future updates should resolve this. Check out this Solos smart glasses review to learn more. Who should buy this? These glasses are for active professionals, fitness enthusiasts, and travelers who want earbuds and an AI assistant built into their glasses. AirGo 3 is a unique, forward-thinking option. Pros: all-in-one functionality, modular and prescription-friendly, great battery life. Cons: learning curve for controls, virtual button can be hard to use intuitively. Number 3. XREAL Air 2 Pro. Similar to the Vetour Pro XR in functionality, the XREAL Air 2 Pro also packs serious screen power into a stylish, everyday design. Flip the switch and you're looking at a floating 130-inch virtual screen that's great for video, work, and gaming. Its Sony OLED displays are sharp and colorful. Also, its electrochromic dimming lenses are adjustable from transparent to dark with a tap, practical for indoors and out. These glasses also connect to almost any device via USB-C, and setup is easy. Add the optional XREAL beam and you unlock head-tracking AR features for a more immersive experience, though the beam is still a little rough around the edges. Our verdict: these AR-enabled smart glasses are a stylish piece of tech that, while remaining relatively slim and light, elevate your on-the-move screen experience. They're a bit more affordable than my top pick, but also don't offer as much brightness or focus dials for vision needs. They're especially great for Android users. Who should buy this? These glasses are perfect for tech lovers, digital nomads, and gamers needing a portable big screen experience without the bulkiness of some models. Pros: crisp display quality with high contrast micro OLED panels. Electrochromic dimming with instant tint adjustment for indoor-outdoor use. Lightweight and travel-friendly design. Cons: companion app and beam accessory feel buggy. Full iPhone support requires additional accessories.